Right. So here we are again at the famous Langley's Butty Bar with the famous Langley. And what can we have today then, Paul?
Well, we've got a bit of nice little lobster thermidor for you if you want.
Lobster thermidor, that'll be perfect. Dickie, do you want lobster thermidor?
Sorry?
Lobster thermidor?
Yes, please, yes.
Yeah.
Just with a little sauce.
With just 2 lobster thermidor.
I'll just go and get the lobster.
Okay.
I've got crabs.
Right, anyway, on that note, we're just on our way to Assen. It's Wednesday the 3rd of August 22, and we're setting off to now Hull to get the boat over to Rotterdam and hopefully arrive at Assen midday-ish tomorrow. So after our lobster thermidor
And tea.
from the famous Langley's, we'll update soon.
They also do burgers.
Bacon butties.
And a bacon butty.
Here we are at Port of Hull. There's our boat. We're just arranging to pick up Nick. We've now got the guru in, and it's his birthday. Happy birthday.
Cheers.
How old are you, Nico?
Oh, I've had a few. 57.
57. Just
Yeah.
a nipper
I am.
compared to us lot anyway. Right, so we're going to go and see if we can get on the boat now.
Brilliant.
Lock him in. So there's the famous TT stones.
Take the exit, then at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Assen.
So we are now just coming off the motorway to arriving at the circuit, midday or 1 o'clock.
At the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Assen, then bear
What day is
right
it?
towards Assen.
Thursday.
So anyway, we'll update. So we're arriving, so we'll update when we get the tent up and all that. Thanks. Morning.
Morning.
We've arrived at the circuit and we've set up, got the awning up, van in a good position so we can get the van in and out to go to Groningen tonight and the next night and the next night. So we're virtually ready to go. We've just got to put some numbers on it and then go and have it scrutineered, and driver's briefing tomorrow about 10 o'clock. On track about 20 past 11. So yeah, all looking good at the moment. So it's now Friday morning, 11 o'clock. We're just about to go out for the first session to run pistons in, run the brakes in, just check things over, and maybe try and scrub a couple of sets of tyres in at the same time. Guru, Nico, and the legend, Dickie. And Gary James, the reporter. And here he is, arriving late. Hey! Morning. You're late.
Well, I wanted to try and get here for the driver's briefing, but I stayed overnight in Houston.
Oh yeah. Is that where all the prostitutes are?
That's Arnhem.
Oh, is it?
But I thought I'd have breakfast there first
Oh,
before
okay,
coming up.
This is the scrutineering, and these are the scrutineers.
Top man.
Very, very good friends. and we like them because we've passed the scrutineering. Yeah, why not? Or across the front maybe.
Yeah.
Is there just the one? Yeah, down there.
It's
Yeah.
easier to look to
Okay, other side then. Yeah, okay.
the silicone.
Silicon?
Cleaning with silicone.
Oh, no. No, not silicon, no. Anyway, yeah, so this is scrutineering. This is where you've got to come to check everything's okay before you go out on the circuit.
It's so easy with the electric starter, isn't it?